Welcome to Trek Showtime. I'm PM Black. Today we are talking about TREK-60 surveillance function. Most customers ask me about the surveillance requirement. Basically, they usually buy a vehicle computers, then combine with another PoE switch. Then they insert the PoE camera to do the surveillance functions. But there are some headaches coming. First, they need to pay extra cost to the PoE switch. And those PoE switches are not designed for a vehicle, so the power cable or the ignition is a problem. Third, about the RJ45 connector. Those connectors are not security and easily broken. Then fourth, customers want to manage or monitor about their PoE cameras, but with the separate PoE switch, they can do it. Therefore, I usually propose our TREK-60 to customers. It integrates 8 chains PoE ports into one unit, so they don't need to pay extra cost. And we provide a specific RJ45 cable lock. It can protect customers' RJ45 cables. And we also provide a Windows and Linux SDK, so customers can easily integrate those SDK into their application to monitor their PoE cameras. If you are also interested in our TREK-60, please click the following link. Thank you. Bye.